Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to use an Xbox controller on your Android phone. Let's get into the method. You may be able to use the controller wired, so try by connecting it. I'll now show you how to use a Bluetooth Xbox controller wirelessly. First, we need to get to the Bluetooth settings page. Open the main settings app and then tap into the search bar at the top and type in Bluetooth. Tap on the top search result and then you may need to tap on Bluetooth again until you get to the page where you can turn it on. Turn on Bluetooth with the toggle switch if it isn't on already, and now wait a few seconds. Power on your controller now with the Xbox button, and then press and hold the pair button on the controller for a few seconds. This is the small circle button next to the charging port. The Xbox light should start flashing, and if you look on your phone after a few seconds in the Available Devices section, you should see Xbox Wireless Controller. If it doesn't show up, you may need to tap on Scan or the Pair New Device button, and then try pairing the controller again by holding the small pair button on the controller. Once you see your controller in the Available Devices section, tap on it and wait a few seconds for it to connect. You may need to tap on Pair to confirm the connection. It should now connect, and if you tap on it from within this section of the settings, make sure that Input Device is turned on. This is also where you can disconnect or forget the device if you wanted to. You can now try it out, and you should even be able to navigate the settings just using the controller. That's how to use an Xbox controller on your Android phone. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Android device. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.